This first README belongs to Factory Girl, which is an open source project maintained by a development shop called Thoughtbot. Without knowing the specifics of what this project does, we can see that this file is broken up into many small chunks. Each one of them is very clearly defined and readable. At the top, we can see some links to more external documentation, some installation instructions, and then underneath we can find some essential additional information, along with information for how we can contribute to the project. At the very bottom is a section that links out to the license and all the licensing information. So without knowing what Factory Girl is or does, we can assume that if we wanted to use it, we'd have all the information we'd need to get started right here. Next, we've got CanViewify, which is a personal project by my friend Kat. This one is considerably shorter, but it seems to be structured in a similar way with lots of short, clear sections. We've got our description, we've got our installation instructions, and this is a little different, we have some usage examples here. This README does not have contribution information and instead has a little section on an issue that is known within this code. And down at the bottom, we once again have some licensing information. Lastly, we've got a README from Udacity's very own Create Your Own Adventure game, which comes from our Git and GitHub course, which you should check out if you haven't already. This README doesn't have too much code necessarily, just that one line there, but it does have a very detailed explanation of how we're supposed to contribute to this repository. Like the other two READMEs, we've got some licensing information at the bottom as well. So without knowing anything about the actual code within each of these projects, we can see that all three of these READMEs gives us a quick overview of the essential information we may need to get these projects up and running. In the next few sections, we're going to be talking about each of these sections in more detail.